Soho feels like a little slice of freedom, even if it's just for a couple of hours. My shift started at 5 p.m., so our Soho adventure had a deadline.
I'm in Soho
All the time?
all the time,
Okay.
every time.
Today, I had one goal: to spend quality time with her before the clock hit 5 p.m. and the apron replaced my camera.
This is a World Trade Center bound E train. The next stop is 50th Street.
The subway ride was its usual New York charm: crowded, loud, and fragrant with mystery smells. "This is winter prep," I said. Why always Soho? Maybe it's because, as immigrants, we crave places that feel vibrant and alive, places where every corner tells a story.
I was just somebody longing for someone to hold me. It could be anybody, but you chose me somehow. Now I'm waist deep, thinking about you all the time, like crazy, knowing you're here by my side. And I was doing fine on my own, but baby, you make me a whole lot better.
Guys, so this is my setup. I just don't want you to, stop creating your content just because you don't have a fancy camera. So I believe creativity shouldn't be stopped by the technologies. That's my point. Let's look for her right now.
Soho greeted us with cobblestones and curated chaos. We strolled past chic boutiques and street vendors, comparing everything to Mustang markets. "This scarf could buy a yak back home," she said. We laughed because it's true.
Thank you. So then the reason we came out here in Soho is to buy her a winter jacket. She managed to pull whole winter last time with only one long jacket. So this time she deserves a treat, right, baby? This is nice. This is beautiful. Yeah. No. राम्रो छ नि यो पनि बेबी ल.
For me, Soho isn't just a place, it's a fleeting escape before reality calls me back to the grind of my dinner shift. Soho greeted us the way it always does: chic, chaotic, and impossibly alive. The streets were bursting with characters. Every corner holds a piece of your story waiting to be found.
We've been driving this kid around. This is probably a little bit.
Found it? Thank you.
Do you guys want to try it on, or?
Yeah, she's gonna try this. Thank you so much. You have different sizes on this too, right? Just in case if it doesn't fit?
Yeah, medium, any size that you need.
Got it, sure. Let me get her, okay? Thank you.
Somewhere between trying on gloves and dodging tourists, we realized it wasn't just about clothes. It was about clinging to moments before winter swallows the city whole. Summer had spoiled us: long days, rooftop vibes, and lazy strolls. Winter, though, it's a different beast. It demands layers, courage, and caffeine.
A whole lot better.
By 4:30, we sat on a bench, bags in hand, savoring the last few minutes of freedom before I had to rush to work. She rolled her eyes but smiled. It's these short, silly moments that make the grind worth it. The clock struck 4:30 and the bitter truth set in. I had to leave for my shift. But as I kissed her goodbye and headed back to the subway, I glanced at my camera, knowing it held pieces of a day I wouldn't trade for anything. To everyone who tuned in for this short but sweet Soho stroll, thank you. Whether you're here for the chaos, the love, or just a peek into the hustle, I hope it reminds you to find your own moments that matter. Until next time, Soho, and thank you for being a part of my journey, one story at a time.
That's it, guys. I have to go to work.